So we have a cone is made from a sector of circle of radius 14 centimeter and angle of 90 degrees. What is the area of curved surface of the cone? Take pi equals to 22/7. Now let's solve this. Now the first thing I want to do, that I usually do, is to try to represent this in a diagram because it makes things easy for me. So if I have this sector, now I know that we're told that the angle is 90 degrees. So I have 90 degrees. What else? The radius is 14 centimeter. So I have 14 centimeter. Now this sector was made into a cone. So I have this cone. Obviously this place is still 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter, and then I have 90 degrees. Now I'm told to find the curved surface of this cone. So curved surface area of the cone would be this part. So I have this part, the curved surface area. Now remember, the curved surface area, this place, is the same thing as this place. And the space a shape takes up is what? The area of the shape. So it means that to find the curved surface area of the cone, I can as well find the area of this sector, because the curved surface area of this cone is equal to the area of the sector. Does that make sense? So I'll just be finding the area of the sector, and then I'll be able to get the curved surface area of the cone. Now someone might want to ask, why not just use the formula for the curved surface of a cone, which is pi RL? But in this case we don't know the radius, so we can't do that. So that's why it makes sense to just find the area of the sector, which is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. I hope you understand. Now let's solve. So we start with curved surface area of cone equals to area of sector. And area of sector, what's the formula for area of sector? Remember, a fraction of the area of a circle. So we have theta over 360 times, what's the area of a circle? Pi r square. Does this make sense? So theta is what? We know that our theta equals to 90 degrees. We're told to take pi as 22/7. What else? Our radius equals to 14 centimeter. So we slot this into the formula. Area of sector equals to, what's theta? We have 90 over 360 times pi is 22/7. Radius is 14, and then we have radius square, so 14 square. 0 cancels 0. 9 here 1. 9 in 36 is 4. Shey? So we have 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 22 is 11. So if I solve the remaining over here, I should be having area of sector equals to, I'm left with 1/2 times 11/7 times 14 squared is 14 times 14. So I have 14/1 times 14/1. 7 here 1. 7 in 14 should give me 2. 2 here 1. 2 here 1. So I'm left with area of sector equals to 11 times 14. And 11 times 14 is 154. So I have 154 centimeters square. Does this make sense? Now, so therefore, curved surface area of cone equals to 154 centimeters square. This is our answer. Now I hope the relation we considered previously is now clear to every one of us. Let's take another example.